Hi, how are you? It's Karen. Today I'm going to be making a frozen peanut butter pie with using a chocolate Keebler ready crust for the base. This is so very simple. The first thing, it's actually only 3 ingredients plus water. You're going to want to put 8 tablespoons of PB2 powdered peanut butter in a container. Let me get a knife. And you mix that up with 6 tablespoons of water. So that's 1, 2, let me finish this and I'll get back to you. Okay, so I put my 8 tablespoons or 1/2 cup of PB2 in the bowl, and then we have 6 tablespoons or 1/3 cup of water. You want to mix that together so that it becomes, instead of powdery, it becomes liquidy. This makes 8 servings at 6 points per serving. And once we get it all mixed up, then we're going to put it in the freezer for 2 hours. And that's it. I mean, this is so simple. And then what I do afterwards is when you serve it, and I'll show you what it looks like, I just put some, like a squirt of chocolate syrup. You can use, I have both. I have regular chocolate syrup, or, that's what it looks like, or sugar-free. So whatever you're going to add. If it's sugar-free, it's 0 points. If it's regular, make sure to count the points for that. So then what we want to do is we want to add 1 full thing of fat-free Cool Whip. Make sure it's thawed into this peanut butter mixture. Make sure you get fat-free, because if you get sugar-free, it's more points. And you cannot tell the difference. Really, I can't tell the difference between this and regular Cool Whip. So I'm going to mix that together as so until it's all mixed. Okay, and then I'm going to pour it into the pie shell, and I'll show you what it looks like before we put it in the freezer. Okay, so as you see, I've gotten everything out of here. I've put it in here, and now we're going to cover this and we're going to put it in the freezer for 2 hours, and that's it. This is the simplest dessert, and it's going to be so good. And this is good enough to take, over, like if you have a potluck or something. And like I said, it's 8 servings, so it's a decent serving, and it's 6 points per serving. So I just saved the top of this, and then I'm going to put it in the freezer. It'll be ready in at least 2 hours. It's got to freeze. So, and then that's when you put the syrup on it. So, okay, see you in a bit. And here is the finished product. It looks so good. So I hope you enjoy this. Very easy. Bon appetit.